Hello and welcome to Lots of Food and Barbecue. Today we're going to make cabbage, spinach and pork casserole. Let me bring you along and show you how to do that. Okay, so we need some spinach, some cabbage, some crushed tomatoes, this is the garlic kind, some coconut milk, some cheese and a little piece of the pork butt. That's way too large to use all of it. Okay, to start off I'm going to chop this cabbage into smaller pieces. I'm going to remove the stem. And there we go. So I'm going to start frying this. Okay, so we're just going to sweat the cabbage in a little bit of oil. There we go. So we got a little piece of the pork butt here. I'm going to remove the showing fat somewhat anyway. Then I'm going to try slicing this into thin slices, and then I'm going to fry them as well before I lay it. Will make cook a lot quicker in the oven. I think that should be good enough. Grains are going that way, so I'm going to cut it across. And this is about what we're going for. I guess it's about 1/8 of an inch, something like so. We're going to start off with a little bit of oil in that as well. Then we're going to add the meat. Going to season both of these with salt, pepper and garlic. And cook it till it's all brown. See you back in a bit. So this is what we have. Some browned up pork, some blanched at least cabbage. I sliced up a couple of tomatoes as well. Some spinach of course, then and the tomatoes, and also measured up about 2 cups of cheese and a little bit of olive oil to put in the bottom of the pan. Okay, so let's start off with a little bit of oil, just like so, just so it won't stick so much in the end. And then we're gonna have a layer of the cabbage. Like so. And we're gonna add half of the spinach to this, a few tomatoes, something like so. And then we're gonna add the pork to this. And then we're going to add a little bit of cheese just for a good measure, and about half of the tomato, something like so. And then I think we're going to top with the cabbage. So the rest of the spinach, the rest of the tomato, those would look nice on top, right? Then we're going to add the rest of the cabbage. Oh yeah. Last of the tomato. Oh, that wasn't enough. Anyway, just going to spread that on top of here. Something like so. Coconut, shake, shake, shake. And pour that on. Something like so. and then the rest of the cheese. We're going to put this in a preheated oven at 210 Celsius, which is about 405 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to let it be in there for 25 minutes. Anyway, I'll pop it in the oven and I'll see you back here soon. There we go. This was actually in there for 30 minutes. Anyway, let's plate it up. There we go. Pork and cabbage casserole. Let's try it. It had a lot of flavor. I only used salt, pepper and garlic, but the crushed tomatoes had the garlic in them, and I guess that added a little bit of taste. Tastes a bit of tomato, a bit of coconut from the coconut milk. Not much, nothing is overwhelming. It's really nice together. The cabbage has a slight crunch to it, which I like. I don't want it to be overcooked, so I think that's good. And the meat was really tender. I think this is considered a success. Thank you for watching. Bye.